Hold on, Scout. The light turned on for some reason. I don't want the light. Grandma.
Yes.
Are we recording, Grandma? Scout's still holding on to that blanket. It looks so cute. It looks so cute, doesn't it, Grandma? Hold on, let's remove this. Oh no! I lost a little bit of cuteness because I'm not holding on to the blanket. It looks so cute, Grandma. Well, happy birthday, Scout.
Oh yeah,
it's my birthday.
We're having the party.
Happy birthday to me.
And you're taking me for lunch.
As remember, Scout, so we'll get you a present. Here you go, Scout. Oh, what thank you, Grandpa. Can you help?
Yes, I'm so anxious to see. Oh yeah.
Look, Scout, remember you were wondering about a smoke alarm or smoke detector thing?
Yes.
I got us a very small, affordable one. Grandma, is there a receipt in the bag, Grandma? Is there a receipt in the bag?
No, there's no
There's no receipt. Oh, okay. Right, Scout, you want to return it? No. You can't just return it. It was like less than $6 or something. It was very affordable, Scout.
You have to put it in.
It was like 5 something. Or, I don't know, it was affordable. I'm opening it.
Where does it go? Oh, I told it. That's in a hole. Oh. Grandma told it. Oh, it's portable. It's battery operated. It's even better.
Oh, that's right, Scout. It comes with a battery.
Are you going to put it in your room, Scouty?
It comes with a battery.
See, it comes with a battery.
And look, Scout, it says here that you can buy multiple ones and put them. You can buy multiple ones and put them around your house.
You can put it in your room, where you are, Scout. So in case there's a fire, you get to run out. Just tell Grandma the fire, Grandma. Run with me.
Are there instructions, Grandma?
Let's see if it's. Oh yeah. I guess the battery's on. Yeah, but
Grandma,
you need to read these instructions so you can do it later.
do we want to test it right now?
Well, you need to pause a video so you can read it. How many languages? Let me get English.
Where's welcome?
Instruction. Please installation. No, will.
Let's go. Baby, what are we looking for? We're looking for how to test it or stuff.
It has a battery.
Oh. Okay, well, Grandma, thank you, Papa. Thank you. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I think you just press this down and.
Pues frita and then.
Oh, look. Yeah, it has a little plastic thing here you have to pull. Okay, Scout. And we're back, Scout. Okay, let's try this again. All right, Scout. Yeah, so here's the alarm, the recap for your birthday, smoke alarm, alarm detector. And try to do this with one hand. Grandma! Grandma! I need your help, Grandma. And look, this is the model purchased at Walmart. Less than $6 or like $6. It was affordable. Can you hold the camera? Can you hold the camera? Thank you, Grandma. So we're just gonna twist. It's because it says here, it reads, excuse me, off, twist on. So go this way. Is this? Anyways, here it goes. So yeah, I need to pull this. It's preventing contact somehow.
Oh, yeah.
Or
Oh, separó.
well,
Really?
I think we just pull that, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. That's what was keeping it.
Oh, because they had the battery the other way. So okay, now it's
workable.
now it's making contact. And somewhere it said that it won't work unless it's installed. So this is probably what they mean.
Yeah. Pues sí, porque it's stuck in the
There. And there's instructions in here. There's instructions there. Let's see. Yeah.
Wow.
It's loud. So
It's loud.
there it is, Scout. And the instructions say that it'll blink red every now and then. It'll blink red like every 40 seconds or for 40 seconds.
That noise will scare Grandma.
And then if it ever goes off, it says here you push it to hush it.
Okay. So we play with anything.
But yes, Scout. So if there's ever smoke in the house, if Grandma ever burns something while cooking, it's gonna let us know, Grandma. It's gonna let us know, Grandma. Oh, food's ready.
Oh.
Food's ready. Beep, 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 beep.
Oh.
Food's ready. Grandma's burning something in the kitchen. I love you, Grandma. It's my birthday, Grandma. Please kiss me.